ninyo. Okay, it's time. Another one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, di ba pang seto? Let's go, everyone. Isa pa, one more time. Day Maxine. Happy birthday. Happy. Let's go, everyone. Lakas-lakasan naman ninyo and let's put some energy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sabay-sabay tayo. Happy birthday, Maxine. And 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Maxine. Alright, that's birthday. Alright. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. You may now blow your birthday cake, Maxine. May we ask for a lighter? Lighter, please. Happy birthday, Maxine! Naway magikang isang engineer pagdating ng panahon. At naway mahalin mo ang lahat ng mga taong nagmamahal sa iyo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Okay, Maxine, you may now make a wish. Take your moment, make a wish. May the good Lord guide you for all your wishes, and may all your wishes come true. Happy birthday, Maxine! Thank you very much, everyone, for celebrating with us. At this point, gutom na ba ang lahat? Ako gutom na. Anyway, may I request everyone to kindly please all rise as we raise our meal for this evening. And let's thank the Lord for all the blessings we are receiving. May we request everyone to kindly please all rise.